Senku wakes from stone sleep, zero cash, zero tech, zero hope. Yet, 10 billion% determined to rebuild civilization with seashells and ramen packets. What if living like a broke caveman is the cheat code to science level wealth? Entertainment and education only, not financial advice. Verify every move yourself. In the next minute, you'll watch Senku flip pebbles into powerhouses and learn the mindset that turns small paychecks into cosmic fortunes. Taiju finds a pre-petrification mall. Neon signs scream limited sneakers. Triple foam latte. He empties his shell coins on shiny junk and limps home hungry. In 2025, we do the same. We upgrade phones, rent extra space, or renew streaming that we forgot. Monday, an $8 latte leak. Tuesday, a $19 delivery trip. Friday, an impulse hoodie. By Sunday, you sacrificed a share of Tesla stock for caffeine, cotton, and convenience. Scroll last week's bank feed. Count lifestyle leaks. Why does flexing feel great? Swipe dopamine blasts your nucleus accumbens. Social proof hikes adrenaline. Hedonic adaptation resets joy in 14 days. Senku's hack. Swap purchase dopamine for discovery dopamine. Build cotton candy machine. Gain sugar rush and new revenue. In 30 seconds, we'll seal your money bottle and crank pressure till it rocket launches. Money is cola pressure in a bottle. Punch holes. Daily lattes, random Amazon, and fizz hisses away. Cork it tight, and every shake cranks pressure until pop. Wealth rocket. Senku starts with a rock hammer. No spending, just resource scrape. Viewer Lexi canceled 4 subscriptions while watching this channel. She saved $62 a month, which is equal to $744 per year. She nicknamed it Stoned Hammer Fund. Practical pivot. 1. Cancel 2 unused subs tonight. 2. Downsize or add a roommate. Reader Sam cut rent by 38%. 3. Run cash only week. Feel every coin leave. Result? Senku Seed Fund freed monthly. Senku's pulley system automates rock lift. You'll automate paychecks. Marcus set auto transfer to 20% to a high yield stash. Forgot about it, and 6 months later, he had 2K. His pulley of hidden power. A practical pivot. 1. Auto transfer on payday. 2. Side quest Saturday. Pick a fun gig. Funnel coins to seed fund. 3. Give every dollar a job. Survival, joy, growth. No idle recruits. Senku brews glass, then invents electricity. Compounding technologies. Your money can do the same. Jade bought a duplex, lived in one unit, rented the other. Cash flow paid the mortgage. 10 months later, she called it the Chrome Age Day 1. Practical pivot. 1. Feed stash into broad market index. 2. Take a skill course. Bank the raise. Lifestyle frozen. 3. Once cash flow covers basics, pipeline funds into a second asset. Outcome? 3-phase loop. Halves time to coast. Fire. 1. Earbud economy. Taiju crafts bamboo earbuds. Sell first pair for 2 copper coins. Illustrates the micro hustle. 2. The Cola Rocket Test. Senku's Cola Rocket bombs once. He documents failure cost. Sugar plus time versus data gained. 3. The Vacuum Tube Trade. Gen cons a rival village into swiping iron for copper wire. Barter beats cash burn. DIY luxuries outrank store luxuries. Home cold brew equals pennies. Taste artisanal. Camping trip memory is greater than diamond watch selfie. Myth: I need 6 figures first. Uzura weaves clothes. Profits before college. Truth: habits beat income. Myth: frugality is equal to deprivation. Senku brews cola in the Stone Age. Truth: it's joy allocation. Myth: investing small is pointless. Chrome collects minerals grain by grain. Builds battery. Truth: time is greater than the amount. Myth: inflation kills savings. Senku stores value in tech leaps, not coins. Truth: assets outrun CPI. Cycle Omicron 30. Paid rent on Neo Orion Pod 5 years. Zero equity. House hacked a 2-cabin freighter. Cruise rent covers loan. My cabin, free. Cash flow funds equals engine upgrade. Caveman living beats space station flex. Deploy your cola rocket tonight. 1. Cancel 2 subs now. 2. Set payday auto transfer. $20 minimum. 3. Post savings screenshot in Discord. 4. Planned DIY luxury swap this week. 5. Scheduled side quest Saturday brainstorm. 6. Share first cash only week update in live Q&A. Senku rebuilt civilization with rock tools and zero waste mindset. Live below your means and stockpile enough power to invent your own future. Our next invention? Emergency gold. Why every pirate needs an apothecary diary's hidden stash. Financial preparedness. Click the playlist so the algorithm doesn't petrify your progress. Subscribe and drop a test tube. Grab the Star Path budget map and join our Thursday sessions 7 p.m. live on YouTube every Thursday. Captain Geo Bravo signing off. Peace.